Hey, what's up, Kishu Inu holder, my brother? Absolutely, I will make every day every new brand video for Kishu Inu coin. But definitely, my friends, people are very interested and people are watching completely. So, thank you, everyone. But today, I have something very special and something very different from other videos now. Because, my brother, I researched personally all day about Kishu Inu and I found it, my friends, something very special news and updates for all Kishu Inu holder now. And you know what's the update and what's the, my friend, special news for all of you. I am going to discuss you, but kindly, if you are new my channel, just and only click out the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, I'm going to show you the last 24-hour chart. As you can see here, this time they are loading, so I will tell you something very special information about. I will give you about Kishu in. The information is that, my brothers, too, and previous days, my brother, the coin were very badly fails down. So therefore, the CEO of Kishu Inu said this, my friends, to upcoming time we will going to collaborate with my friend a lot of companies, and absolutely there is a chance so they will collaborate with Amazon now. So my brother, if they just only my friend collaborate with Amazon, so I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to Kishu Inu will get a very good profit now. And as you can see here, my brothers, so the Kishu Inu will completely end the lost in those days. Minus 4.13% they are lost now. But here, as you can see here, the Kishu Eno, you can see the price is very less now, very cheap now. 0 point, I think all 0 and just only 1 now. I think 246,801 now. So this is very cheap price now. All right, I hope if you want to earn money as for in a very short time, I think this is very good option. So kindly invest now in Kishu Eno and get a very short time very good profit now. So my brother, the chart is not opening, so I don't know my brothers to what's the latest update, but definitely my friends, I already check out now, so hope you will be like now. And absolutely the current condition is very good now, not good now, because my brothers, here the price minus 4%, minus 4.13% loss now. All crypto market were very badly falls down. But what we will need to do in this time to get a profit, absolutely we will need to hold and get a profit now. So don't do this mistake to starting selling, and please hold now. Thanks for watching holder. Kindly like video and subscribe this channel.